Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a vintage look video using coloring in CapCut. So first, import your video to CapCut and go to filter. Then click on the live category and select the metal filter. Okay, the portrait, and select the metal and set it into 100. Click on a check icon, then add another filter. Now go to the live category and select the jingle bells and set it to 40. Click on a check icon. Okay, so you have these two filter. Then click on adjust. Set the contrast into 10. Saturation -25. Then the sharpen into 100. Then go to highlight and set it to around 10 or 20, between 10 or 20. I'm going to with 12 or 13. Then click on the temp and set it into 25. Go to the vignette effect and add it around 15. Okay, so it'll go like this. Then last, you can adjust the brightness, but it depends on how bright your clip is. So I'm going to go with a -3, I think. Okay, click on a check icon, and now here is the final result for your vintage video. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorial. Thank you.